Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make another set of oil perfume with selected fragrance that will make your customers to keep coming back all the time. One thing I want to emphasize in this video is I want to inspire you to awake the creativity part of you, because everyone is born with some kind of ability to create things. And when you do discover that and you apply it, you will see that you excel. What I have in this video, I have three different sizes of bottles. I have 6 mils, I have 10 mils, and I have 30 mils bottles. I also have, little funnel that I'll be using to dispense the oil fragrance. And I have a mixing bowl, and I now have all the oils. So I have Royal Black, I have Sugar Baby, I have Chiffon, I have Safara, I have different fragrances here that I want to be mixing. I said it in my other video, you can mix as many fragrances as possible from just 5, like I have 5 here. I'm going to list all the fragrances I use in the description bottom. Look at this tiny funnel, it's very helpful, so you can easily use it for these small bottles because the mouth is very tiny, to avoid wastage. All right, so if you can really mix them very well, you can have different fragrances that nobody will be able to predict what you use to make them. And that is where the trick is, that is where the business is also. You understand? So you can mix them 2 by 2, not in any particular order. Then you can mix 3 by 3, and you can mix all of them again at once. So if you tag them as A, B, C, and D and E, you can mix AB, you can mix AC, AD, and you go to B, BC, BD, BE, then D, DA, DB, DC, DE. So by the time you finish with them like that, you go back to A, B, C, D, E, 5 of them at once. Then you make separate fragrances from each one. You will have enough fragrance for your customers to pick from. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that is where the secret is, and that is where the business is. You select fragrance that are alluring to you. Select for men, select for women. Then when you mix up a fragrance that is supposed to be for men with Sugar Baby, for example, that is for ladies, you get a different fragrance entirely that people will like. Somebody like me, I like wearing perfumes that are not so feminine. You understand? So you can mix them up that people, when they smell them, they feel like, yes, this is what I want. You understand? So that Sugar Baby, we kind of tone down that choking, powerful, fragrance of, like Royal Black, for example, or Black Oud, which is specifically for men. So you can mix them up very well, and then you package them. You package them in your bottles, like these 6 ml bottles. In my area, you can sell 1.5, you can sell 1.2, you can sell 1,000 naira. Then the 10 mils bottles, you can sell 2,000, you can sell 1.8, depending on where you are. And my 10 mils bottle is from 5,000 naira, 5,000 to 7,000, depending on who you are selling. But the important thing is my customers keep calling me because I have mastered the art of mixing the fragrances together. And once I know that this is what you like, I keep to that mixture. So when you come back, I will always have it for you. So do you understand what I'm saying? You have to write it out so that next time your production will remain the same. That is where the branding comes in, that your product is the same because your formula is the same. And when they come back for more, they are not going to feel disappointed. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's how you keep them coming all the time. So that is it. God bless you. And currently, I'm training people on how to produce oil perfume, different fragrances for men, for women, then even body scrub, facial cleanser, how to soften your palm and remove all those cracks in your heels and even black knuckles on your fingers. So if you want to join the training, I'm going to leave the description to the group where you can join and learn. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Tell me where you are watching from, and much more. Try to produce your own oil perfume. Please like this video, drop your comment, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Thank you very much, guys. This is the unique and healthy recipes. Stay tuned for more videos. But before then, you can scroll down the channel and see lots and lots of videos that you can learn from. We have made several videos. I've made videos on water-based body spray. Water-based body spray. I've made videos on alcohol-based body spray. Do you understand? So you can check out any of them and then you can learn or ask questions and I will reply. I will respond to you. So any other product that you're interested in, you can let us know. I have video on hair dandruff, how to remove dandruff, even how to remove aftershave. So all those videos are on the platform, on the channel. You can ask questions about them and surely I'll respond to you. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.